show this just a little bit because I want to illustrate how important it is that a person turn these mandrels separately each time. What this does, this mandrel has been used in my prior experiments at doing this where I failed. So now I'm stepping it back, cutting it back, getting it out of the way. I just figured I would, I'm going to leave it long because I can. Somewhere down in this area now. What you just saw is a tremendous cheat. You're never supposed to machine out here on something, in this case it's like 6 times longer than its diameter, which is poor practice. The reason I'm getting away with it is because my usable section's way up in here. This right here is dross. This right here is wasted. This right here is mandrels that I've already used. You can actually see, if the camera's properly on there, you can actually see that there's some copper residue from my prior fails. Now I come up to here. What we're shooting for here is what I decided. We were just talking in there in the other room. What I have decided to do is to set these at 242. I think that's a neat and innovative thing to do. I'm going to set it at bullet diameter, nominal bullet diameter. That way, even if I get one that's 2422, 2423, 2399, I mean 2419, again, my math sense is showing off again. If I get one that's a couple tenths under 242 or over 242, what normally happens, I misspeak on these videos so much, I won't be surprised if I go back to proof this and go 242, you idiot, that's not right, it's actually a 2. Anyway, 243, it's about 1,000th under the size, the nominal size that the cartridge is designated at, so 242, as I recall, is the correct thing. Man, that looks like it's getting bright. I'm going to turn this, I'm sorry, but I'm seeing glare. This is kind of a test video to see if I can get this to, I hope that works. I hope that's a good size. So, I'm going to turn this on again, and I think the noise attenuation software will take care of it. Doing something that I'd never do. I just ran a slight pass on there with high-speed steel, and I don't really like what I saw. I'm gonna have to go find a super sharp carbide, that one's new, to get this thing down to size. So, let's check and see where we are. Hopefully I can get a size this far out. I don't know that I can. This is really, as I said, but it's only important from here in. Of that is going to be, I'm going to leave it there, but it's just going to be way up inside the cartridge case, neither gained nor lost. At one point I'll take a hacksaw because this is too small for me to dare run a tool against it unsupported out here. I'll warp it, and I'm hyper crazy, but I want to use this section right in here, and to me it's very critical. Okay, so we are at 245. We're getting right there, my peeps. reason to show this, at least in the eyes of the machinists out there. I can break these rules and I can talk about how I'm doing it wrong and whatever, and they're going, why are you even doing that? Why, come on, man. Well, I'm doing it because maybe there are 50 hobbyists out there who are excited enough to buy a lathe and get, because realistically, people, these lathes are cheap entertainment. This is antique technology. This is an ancient, kludgy manual machine, but for me, for gun builders, for prototypers, for people that want to build stuff, build tools, for whatever, it's wonderful, wonderful stuff. We hit it, we're at 242, so while I'm talking. This is still the kind of thing that we hobbyists can use, and we need this kind of instruction. We need this. It may not be good machining practice. The machinist might just be laughing, but that doesn't change the fact that this is to show that just anybody can do it. That these are the moves. So when we come back, we'll have this set up and we'll be putting some brass on it.